Hi everyone! Today we will talk about crowdfunding business in Australia. Australia is a wonderful country for nature lovers. It is full of wild animals, stunning landscapes and amazing ocean views. And here is some good news. You can easily start your business in crowdfunding, as it's among the top countries to choose from. According to the Cambridge Centre of Alternative Finance, Australia is the 7th among the top 30 crowdfunding countries in the world. Crowdfunding in Australia is really a promising business line, and in this video we will talk about how to launch a crowdfunding platform in Down Under legally and safely. Just a bit about the Australian crowdfunding market. In terms of business development, Australia has a lot of different crowdfunding platforms that focus on both debt and equity financing. The Australian crowdfunding market unites all types of crowdfunding platforms. There are both investment and non-investment crowdfunding platforms here, and the most interesting for retail investors. In Australia, retail and institutional or wholesale investors play a critical role in project financing. Let's take a look at some successful examples you can learn from. Birchal, one of the first crowdfunding websites in Australia, the platform which helped more than 100 small businesses and startups to raise 65 million in total. The company arguably has the largest community of investors in the country and the simplest and fastest investment process. Prosper, funded back in 2012, this debt crowdfunding website has helped to fundraise almost 99 million in total, aiming primarily at helping startups and small businesses. This list of Australian crowdfunding entities must give you a raw insight into the key crowdfunding platforms in the region you are going to compete with. But what rules do they operate under? Australian crowdfunding regulations seem transparent, but make sure to consult an experienced crowdfunding attorney before launching your business. To start a crowdfunding business in Australia, the founders will need to get several important documents: an Australian financial service license and Australian credit license if the future business will deal with providing personal loans. Corporations and Market Advisory Committee suggested Australian government introduce these limitations for retail investors: 10,000 per year, maximum amount allowed to invest in a startup via investment crowdfunding, 2,500 as a maximum per one investment. To learn more about Australian crowdfunding regulation, reach out to the article on our website. The link is, as always, in the description. And now, it's time to explore crowdfunding software for operating private capital raising business in Australia. Creating a website, managing investors and fundraisers, investments and payments, reviewing the overall statistics on a project, this all is absolutely necessary to manage your crowdfunding company successfully. This all can be done within a crowdfunding software solution. LenderKit is a flexible crowdfunding and investment management software which helps you to manage full-cycle private capital raising from user onboarding to investment settlement and money distribution. This is all for now. Get ready and start your own business today. See ya!